In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what Google AdWords extensions are, why you should always be using them in your campaigns, and how they're going to help your Google Ads campaigns perform better and more profitable. Hey everybody, welcome to the WSI Priority Media YouTube channel. I'm Richard Cruz, and in this video we're talking all about Google AdWords extensions or Google Ads extensions. What are they? They are free online real estate that can give you better and more prominent ads. But if you don't set them up, then your ad by default is going to be absolutely minimal text, and that's it. Site leaks, they don't cost you any money. You just have to make sure that you take the time to go through the steps to set each one of them up. I'm going to walk you through 9 of my favorite extensions that I think that you should always make sure that you check off your list and that you set up in your ads. The first one is site link extensions. These guys, they are clickable links. They're to specific pages that are on your website related to the text. So for example, it can be to a pricing page, testimonials, a free demo. All that can work really, really good here. And again, it is free real estate. Look at all of this right here. That is amazing, beautiful space. Think about this. When somebody is searching for you on a mobile device, there's only so much space there. When you can have your site link extensions that are working for you, like this example here, and they are taking up this space, you're pushing competitors way, way down. This is the default. You get 3 things. You get title, URL, and you get description. Just these 3 things that you see right here. All of this right here, these are extensions right here. These are extensions here. So as you can tell, they're adding, giving you more advantages. So always make sure that you take advantage of your site link extensions. My number 2 favorite one is your location extensions. A location extension, it's listed, on its own separate line, as you can see right here. And again, it's giving you more real estate for free. It's increasing the entire ad size. And on mobile, you get a link with directions to your business. And if you have great reviews, then you can display them here as well too. What a great game changer. People's eyes are attracted to this. So imagine you've got your site link extensions, you've got your location extensions. If you got the great reviews, those are all showing up in here as well too. A really great game changer and very much worth setting up. The third one is call extensions. These include a clickable phone number right in your ad right here. And people can actually contact you with one click on mobile. And the majority of searches are now on mobile. So Google offers them a really great convenience. It's a trackable conversion tracking so that you can track them really, really easily. Always make sure that you're using your call extensions. The next one is similar but different. This is call out extensions, a little bit different, as you can see right here. And what these guys are, they're additional text that allow you to put in what we call call out features or services that you can just display. They increase the size of your ad, obviously, and they give you that more extra real estate, and they tell the customer about features and benefits that about your business and services about your businesses. So a very, very good thing to have. And you'll notice that there's a dot. This is how you can tell what the call out extensions are. They're separated by this dot right here. Now, the next ones that I'm going to bring you to is structured snippet. This is number 5 on our list. And these are now separated by a colon that you could see right here. And as you can see, the line above there was the dot, right? And these are specific aspects about your business or your products or your services. These ad extensions, they provide the context of your products and services before the visitors, click through to your site. So each snippet contains a header and a list of features that you want to highlight. Make sure that you're using these structured snippets. Great stuff to use. If pricing is something that is important to your customers and they want to be able to see that, very similar to Google Shopping, these price extensions, they appear below the text ads on desktop and on mobile, and you can display as a set of up to 8 different cards that people can view and see different options and prices. Again, great, really free real estate that you should always make sure that you're taking advantage of if price is something that's important to your customers and you want to feature certain products. Number 7 on our list is the promotion extension. Bam. just really great visibility. Look at how you can just highlight this. It enables you to be able to highlight sales, promotions, and for people that are searching for the best offers, they're right below your ad. They're marked by this little price icon that you see here, and a great feature to be able to take advantage of. The next item is the seller ratings extension. Now this is real similar to the location extension, but this is your seller ratings. These are a little bit of a different extension. You set them up differently. The location extension comes from your Google My Business. This comes from your seller ratings. There's an additional step that you have to go in and set up your actual seller ratings through Google, and you're able to have these now start to display in your ads. And again, these reviews, especially when they're 5-star reviews, they convert at a higher rate. They attract more customers. They make your ads perform much better. And finally, last but not least, is your dynamic call out extension. They are automatic extensions. They format to allow prospects to see features that matter most to them. Google machine learning is extremely powerful, and dynamic extensions, they allow Google's algorithm to help get you your best ad, your best dynamic call out in front of the people that are likely to convert. A really cool tool to be using. So, hey, in conclusion, Google Ads, they can be tough. And if you have an edge over your competition, use it. Adding the right extensions to your Google Ads campaigns will give you an edge for sure. And you'll be surprised how many times you'll see that your competitors have none of these extensions or very few of them. And if you set them up, you really will stand out. And they'll help you drive clicks and hopefully drive leads and hopefully drive conversions and new customers like never before. So let me ask you, which AdWords extensions have you found to be most useful for increasing your click-through rate, or do you want to use in your future campaigns? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to be alerted to future training videos.